Air fryer pepperoni pizza beef hot dogs.
You know the flavor. It's just delicious.
Oh wow.
It's delicious.
We need just 6 ingredients for this. We need hot dog buns, we need beef, smoke flavor added hot dogs, turkey, pepperoni, mozzarella, cheese, pizza sauce, and some olives. Very easy to do snack. It's gonna fill you up. So first thing, we will take out our hot dogs. Why this hot dog is smaller than the other ones? Let's turn on our air fryer. First we will cook our hot dogs in the air fryer. So we'll put it at air crisp. It says 390. That's what we want. And the time will be just 6 minutes. Let's close the lid, turn it on. So it's on the pre, and let's take our hot dogs out. Air fryer is ready. Yes, it's preheated at 390 degrees. Here you go, our hot dogs. Let's cook our hot dogs first. Alright, so for 6 minutes, they're gonna be cooking in there. Six minutes later, our hot dogs, if you see, they are air fried. Let's take them out here. Strong suggestion, do get the hot dogs which are smoky in the flavor. Alright, so our buns are out. Let's assemble our delicious pepperoni pizza hot dogs. So we will take cheese in the bun. First layer goes in here is the cheese. Get all these 6 ingredients and assemble these hot dogs. Trust me, you're gonna like it. Alright, so hot dog, they go on top of the cheese. Delicious, right? Okay, here's the pizza sauce. Any pizza sauce you like, I will tag all these ingredients in the description so you can just easily order it from here. Add the pizza sauce on the hot dog. Again, we will take the cheese, have a thin layer on top. So easy assembling, right? Now it's the time I'm taking turkey pepperoni. And here you go. They are assembled. Now let's cook it back in the air fryer. So again, we will turn it on 390 and just 3 minutes on the safe side. For the final touches, add some olives to it. It's all about bumping up the flavor, and that's what we are doing. Air fryer is ready. Look at this, our pepperoni pizza hot dog. Let's land it carefully in here. I'm going to just put 3 for now, and for 2 to 3 minutes cook it at 390 degrees, and then I'll see you with the final result. All together, 15 minutes later, we have delicious pepperoni pizza beef hot dogs, and they are ready.
Sweet. Still in my palm, yeah, I'm forging peace sweet.
Man, look at this. Crispy pizza, pepperoni pizza hot dogs. They are completely ready. They are so looking good, and they are intact, you know. They're gonna stay like this. I have made some more. They're gonna be cooking another batch, and they are crispy too. pepperoni pizza, hot dogs. We cooked it in air fryer. Let's do a taste test, but before, let's add these guys in there as well. Here goes the second batch. A game day snack or any day you're with the friends, get all these ready-made ingredients and make this delicious. Pepperoni pizza, hot dogs, surprise everyone. Just 6 ingredients. I'll link it in the description so you can just order it.
Taste the grit, you're never alone. Mountain of grit, yeah, hunger. You know the flavor, it's just delicious. Crushing the concrete to find the bone.
Forget the mess, and here's the first bite. Oh wow. Make it, you're gonna like it. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. Easy to do, all from ready-made ingredients. And a strong suggestion, get the highest quality of the hot dogs. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Cheese, pizza, pepperoni, black olives, pizza sauce. Call it a pepperoni pizza hot dog.